Namaste everyone. This is my first tutorial video on calligraphy. So today we are going to learn brush calligraphy. But before that, let's know about what pens we need for this calligraphy. So I am using these Tombow brush pens, and I think this is the best one for the beginners. And these kind of sheets or any normal any grid paper you can use for the calligraphy. Okay, so let's start with some basic strokes. uh, First it comes upstroke. In the upstrokes you just don't put any pressure and move your pen from downwards to upwards like this. And then come downstrokes. In this stroke, just put a little pressure and draw a line up from upward to downwards direction like this. Next one we'll do is underturn. Okay, in this stroke you have to make a simple U. So one thing in the brush calligraphy you need to understand, then whenever you are going down, you need to apply some pressure, and whenever you are going upwards you need to release that pressure. Like in the underturn stroke, you need to apply some pressure and then just go upwards like this. Okay, so now it's pressure variations. Now there are pressure variations. There are two types of, like, right and left. In this variation it's a very simple process. Just you have to lift the pressure at the edges like this, and from the left variation you have to do it like this. Okay, now we did underturn, so we'll come to overturn. Okay, overturn is the same basically, but it usually looks like N. So we goes upward without any pressure and then downwards, upwards and downwards. Okay, so the next one is compound curve. This is compound curve. It's kind of a mixture of underturn and overturn. We have to mix these two. First we'll do overturn, and then continue with the underturn. This. Okay, and after this practice oval. Oval is, we have to make a perfect O, and by using upstrokes and downstroke and or basically overturn and underturn, you have to start here and make some pressure, then release the pressure and make a perfect O. Like this. Now comes the ascending loop. So ascending loop is like we are making for P, Q. So these are ascenders, these lines are ascenders and descenders. So we basically how much we are going outside and inside from the line. So ascending loop is like you have to move upwards and then downwards. You have to make upwards and then make pressure with downwards. And then comes the descending loop. In the descending loop, it's quite the opposite of the ascending loop. Like first, we need to put some pressure and then make a loop. Put some pressure and then make a loop. Make a loop. Yeah, so these are the basic strokes we need to learn before starting our brush calligraphy. So what's the main thing is you need to practice is the pressure you put on the pen. Like when you go going upwards, there will be no pressure on the pen. It will be a simple, very thin line, and when you are going down, then it will be a thick line. So you need to put up some pressure. Yes, so that's it. Just practice these strokes, and in the next video we will learn how to write alphabets. Thank you.